Moving on to our next fight, ladies and gentlemen, introducing out of the red corner, weighing 71.1 kilos, representing Swami's Mixed Martial Arts, welterweight division. Let's make some noise for Gautam! Blue corner, weighing 71.1 kilos, representing box to fit, welterweight division. Let's make some noise for Ramrod Gunase! Amrut.
Right, bout number 46, Gautam versus Amrut. This is a welterweight fight. Both the fighters weighing in at 77.1 kilograms.
Expect a clean fight. Touch gloves, go back to your corner.
Both the fighters are going at each other at the first bell. They are going wild, they are going crazy, and they are swinging at each other. In such fights, it's just one strike that ends it all. Or both the fighters get tired and this goes on forever. We shall see what happens. Amrut confirming that his opponent's strikes are not hurting him by nodding his head. Gautam is trying to land the higher head kick, but is not able to manage the range and is falling short. I see slight bleeding from Gautam's nose. I'm not sure though.
Announce करना हमें कौन उठा गए तो it's a professional academy man.
Amrut once again acknowledging that Gautam's strikes are not hurting him. And final 10 seconds of round number 1. Amrut definitely the guy with cleaner shots in this round.
Thank you for that sweet, bro.
You want another one? I have it.
I am off sugar. I don't take sugar. No.
It doesn't have sugar in it. Wait, I don't know which one I gave you. Let me check. Because there is one which I have which is completely made up of dates.
Which one
did
that
you
one?
have? I gave that one. There are many in here.
I'm done. I had
You
it.
done?
Yeah, yeah. You have. I want it now. I've refrained from all these.
Good. Man. I recently cut down on some of my addictions. That has given me a lot of sugar cravings. Alcohol I was not like. Used to it, but it's difficult, right? Yeah, it's been happening. And whenever I'm offline, I drink sugar a lot. ड्राइंग शॉट था क्या ड्राइंग शॉट था अपना नाम दिखाना मेरे को एक ही दिख रहा है एकदम एक इंजरी से दूसरे इंजरी पे जाएंगे अयो you thinking from afternoon continuously is eating अयो he's saying if he can't munch anything he'll forget that he has to open the door Right after a brief break, we are back into the fight. Gautam trying to throw feints, but Amrut once again, with the cleaner shots in round 2, just like as in round 1. क्या हो गया? We see a lot of bleeding from Gautam's mouth over there.
Gautam is bleeding and Amrut is pressing forward. Bloody action here, man. What do you say, Punit?
I mean, Gautam is really, Amrut is really dominant from round one, and even now in round two, he is landing the more aggressive and
Look
the
at
more
here,
cleaner
Gautam is trying to
shots.
sink in the choke. Gautam was trying to sink in the choke, but Amrut is not today. Amrut constantly pressing forward.
And that's end of round
That's
two.
the end of round two, and let's move on to round three. So final round, red corner, Gautam, and blue corner, Amrut. Amrut more relaxed and composed on his feet. Amrut opening his punches. Beautiful jab connected. And I think Gautam should give back.
Amrut once again leading with aggression and
Beautiful left
clarity. Oh, but this one, Gautam did land some really clean kicks to Amrut's face.
They're brawling, they're constantly brawling between. Now it's a clean shot from
Gautam is really
Gautam.
going ballistic in
Gautam's
this
constantly
round.
pressing forward,
He realized
trying
that
to find a
this
finish.
is it.
Both the fighters.
But Amrut not stepping back either. He is responding. Both the fighters are fatigued, but neither of them is slowing down.
And Gautam pressing forward. Amrut pressing forward, I'm sorry. That was a that wasn't a fake.
I'm not sure what to call that punch. Gautam is swinging wide. Wow! And that worked! And that worked for some reason. That for some reason.
They are swinging. Both of
Both
them.
the fighters are swinging, and for some reason it is working.
Gautam landing more significant strikes. Amrut landing more significant strikes now.
Gautam's punches are extremely loose and, dare I say that, non-directional. He's just swinging them, but for some reason it lands and it is working.
Both the fighters tired. They're swinging one
It's
shot
almost
each.
sides.
Almost a head kick, but did not land. Now, Amrut pressing forward.
It's almost like they are slapping each other.
Gautam right in face. Both the fighters staring each other.
Alright, we are here at the final 10 seconds of this crazy
Both the
bout.
fighters ready to put in a show here.
This was both beautiful, interesting, and enjoyable all at the same time. What a fight. judges are finalizing their calculations, and here we go to James for the final decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the winner. Winner by judges' split decision. Let's make some noise for the winner from the blue corner, Amrut Gonzalez.